Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the screen recording video save location on this device. Go to the settings and scroll down, tap on the option advanced features. Tap on screenshot and screen recordings. Scroll down, here you can see the option save screen recording in. Tap on this one. So this is the path in my files, internal storage, DCIM screen recording. So if you want to change the path, that means if you want to if you want to save the screen recording directly to your DCIM, then you have to select this one and tap on done. Now you can see the path is changed. Okay, and if you want to save the screen recording video in a separate folder in DCIM, tap on the option plus icon. Then here save. Then you have to enter the folder name here. Tap on create. You can see the folder is here. Tap on this one, select this one. Now you can see the path is changed, and after this one tap on done. Now you can see the path is changed. So simply in this way we can change the screen recording video save location on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.